Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding women collection. Women crochet, stylish, beautiful crochet, fingerless gloves designs, different ideas for you. Flower gloves designs, beautiful designing ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of women's stylish crochet fingerless gloves designs. See beautiful designing ideas. You can wear these very beautiful gloves designs in the birthday party or wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress ideas, matching dress colors. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet fingerless gloves designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. See beautiful designs, beautiful color combination contrasts, crochet fingerless gloves, latest uploading ideas, latest fashion ideas, beautiful gloves designs. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.